Volcanoes are scary, and we know where most of them are, right? Like we've all heard of Mount Vesuvius and Mount St. Helens, but there are volcanoes that go mostly unnoticed, some of which may surprise you because they're not even technically volcanoes. Here are 5 volcanoes you didn't know existed and why you should. Mount Ibiu. If you're flying from LA to Hawaii and decide to take the northern route, you might catch a glimpse of a large symmetrical cone rising above the ocean off the northwest coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. That's Mount Ibiu, a massive stratovolcano that rises 3,962 meters or 13,000 feet above sea level. Although it looks impressive from a distance, what makes it truly frightening is that it's sitting atop a major fault line. Mount Ibiu lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire and sits on top of the subduction zone where the Australian and Eurasian tectonic plates collide. On top of that, it's in a remote location with no early warning system in place. And although its slopes are densely populated, there are no roads connecting the volcano to the rest of the island. So if it were to erupt, thousands would have no way out. Since 1843, Mount Ibiu has erupted about every 20 years with devastating consequences. In 1980, more than 2,000 people lost their lives when hot mud flows swept through villages on its flanks. And experts believe it could erupt again at any time without warning. Menya'a. Back in the early 90s, scientists had a hard time figuring out why seismic readings from the remote jungle-covered Menya'a in Papua New Guinea weren't adding up. There was no obvious volcanic activity, but there was definitely something rumbling beneath the surface. Turns out the culprit was hiding in plain sight, kind of. It wasn't until scientists flew over the area that they realized there was an enormous caldera hidden under a lake. The discovery of Menya'a's massive crater was shocking enough, but after studying satellite images, scientists realized the volcano has been hiding in plain sight since the 1950s. It's just that the crater was covered by a thick layer of tropical vegetation. The dense rainforest made the volcano nearly invisible, and it took decades to realize it was there. But the true scope of Mount Menya'a was revealed in 2013 when it violently erupted. Ash plumes rose 9 kilometers or 6 miles into the air, turning night into day. Entire villages were wiped off the map, and mud flows roared down its slopes. But perhaps even scarier than the eruption itself was the lack of warning. No one saw it coming. Scientists now consider Mount Menya'a a ticking time bomb. It sits on the edge of the southern highlands, and there are more than 700,000 people living within 60 kilometers or 37 miles of the volcano. And while there are now monitoring systems in place, it could blow again at any moment with little to no warning. Okay, so this next volcano is not technically a volcano, it's actually a giant crack in the earth that sometimes erupts. It's called a rift, and it happens when tectonic plates pull apart. As magma rises up to fill the gap, it creates a mountain range. And when the plates continue to pull away, the magma erupts, creating a massive fissure eruption. And that's exactly what happened in 1985 in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. At first, scientists thought the Earth's crust had split open. A massive 40-kilometer or 25-mile-long crack appeared near Mount Nyiragongo, spewing lava and ash. It was one of the deadliest eruptions in recorded history. More than 300,000 people lost their lives when rivers of molten lava swept through villages and torrential rains caused devastating mudslides. But unlike traditional volcanoes, the eruption didn't come from a single vent. Instead, magma erupted along the entire length of the rift, creating a line of fire. What's worse, this kind of rift can open up anywhere along a tectonic plate boundary, which means another massive eruption could happen at any time, anywhere. Now let's head to the Caribbean island of Montserrat. Sitting in the middle of the Caribbean Sea, Montserrat looks like a typical tropical paradise. White sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush green mountains. But don't be fooled. Hidden beneath the picturesque landscape is a dangerous volcano, Soufrière Hills. Montserrat is a stratovolcano with steep sides and a summit crater. For centuries, it slept peacefully until 1995 when it suddenly awoke. After a series of small explosions, thousands of tons of rock and ash shot high into the sky. Pyroclastic flows surged down its slopes, destroying everything in their path. To make matters worse, 2/3 of the island's population lived in the volcano's danger zone. By 1997, almost half of the island was covered in ash, and thousands of people had to be evacuated. Montserrat is still erupting today. Its most recent eruption was in 2010. The scary part is that scientists can't predict when it will blow again. All they know is that it will. With only a thin layer of ash between the island and its destruction, Montserrat could erupt at any time, sending ash and debris raining down on the island once again. Underwater volcanoes. Did you know that nearly 51% of all volcanoes are underwater? Yep, hidden beneath the ocean's vast expanse are countless volcanoes that rarely get noticed. And the scariest part is, we really don't know how dangerous they are. The reality is that we haven't explored much of the ocean floor, and what we have seen is often too dangerous to explore further. Underwater volcanoes can be found anywhere. There's tectonic activity. Take the axial seamount, for example. Located off the coast of Oregon in the United States, this underwater volcano rises 2,400 meters or 8,000 feet from the seafloor. In 2011, scientists detected increased earthquake activity and signs of inflation at the summit. And in 2015, they witnessed an explosive eruption that sent a plume of ash more than 9 kilometers or 6 miles into the air. But that's just one of many. There are hundreds of potentially active underwater volcanoes in the Atlantic Ocean alone, many of which are near major shipping lanes and oil platforms. And as climate change causes sea levels to rise, more and more of these underwater giants could become exposed, increasing the risk of eruption. So there you have it, 5 scary volcanoes you didn't know existed. From hidden rifts to underwater giants, our planet is full of surprises. It's important to learn about these natural wonders and the potential risks they pose so we can better understand and appreciate the power of nature. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to check out my others. And thanks for watching.